The number one thing we hear with almost every single business that we work with is lack of clarity around roles and responsibilities. What we're really hearing is around authority level, but that's not how it's said. So we're going to give you something easier to do around this, because I think the first reaction is, oh my gosh, I've got to write out job descriptions and I've got to do this all like by myself. If you're a leader, absolutely not. That's old school. That's how it used to be done. You write out a job description by yourself, talking to yourself, maybe going online and doing research. Well, the beauty of this is we can do this as a team. Right? If we had a smaller group, you could do this with peers. Let's say you're in a CEO study group. You can do this type of thing. So let's go first through the methodology, and then let me show you the technique. So the methodology on this is that you have to, as a servant leader, care about the lowest skilled member of your team, to care about everyone. If you care about the lowest skilled member of your team, you will automatically move up the chain to the highest level, which is why the intern is at the absolute bottom. Okay? And with every step up, coming up the triangle, you'll see there's more authority. So it's not necessarily what the person is doing, but level of authority they have to decide, to manage, to coordinate, to lead, to do. Or maybe at an intern level, to learn. Now let's do the easy button on this one. Role charting. So for less than a minute, I'd like you to think, what would this chart look like if you did this with yourself, sure, your team, and you enter the name of the person that's responsible for, let's say, the decision-making on marketing in the upper left, or the manager of developing the talent in the middle right? And what providers are you using for each of these areas? Would your name be in most of the boxes? Yes. This is usually what happens, and that's okay. Now, if you have a team, kudos to you, because the best thing to do with this role chart is to give one to each team member and let them fill it in. And boy, will you be surprised. Some people think they have more authority than you thought you gave them, vice versa, right? Some people are not taking the reins on the authority they've been given. So by visualizing this versus talking about it, you will make more progress with less fear and emotion.